Alexa, turn on the air conditioner. Yes! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do something very nice, a new device that has come to my attention, and that is the Aztech Smart IRQ. Now recently there has been quite a buzz in the home automation landscape in Singapore, and I think that Aztech is going on a right direction. Now way back when I was young, well I'm still young, but way back when I was in secondary school, I remember Aztech to be a prime manufacturer of routers especially. So back then when I signed up for Singtel, I remember clearly I saw Aztech label on one of the routers, and they have changed their business model, and I think it's really great that they are focusing on this thing, which in Singapore it's still unsaturated. And the product that has caught my eye is the Aztech Kyla, Aztech Kyla Smart IRQ. This controls a whole lot of devices, any devices that has an IR sensor built into it. Okay guys, so if you're wondering what kind of devices in your household that has IR built inside of them, there's a whole list of it, alright? I can attempt to name a few. If you want me, I can try. Okay, this is how it goes. TV set-top box, Android box, media player, speaker, soundbar, Blu-ray player, radio, amplifier, DVD player, aircon, ceiling fan, standing fan, ceiling light. That was tiring. Okay, if you want me to do that again, I'm sorry, I can't do it. If you missed out the list, well, too bad. You can rewind and play back, right? And just kidding, this is the list. All right, ready? 1, 2. Right, take a few seconds. All right, look at it, look through. Any of it is familiar? Of course, some things are familiar to you, right? Enough. All right, I'm just going to compact all of this down, and I'm going to throw this away, this list. All right, throw where? Maybe my wife over there, because she's just lazing around there, right? So, whoop.
Oi.
So guys, do check your devices just to see if the devices has oh. And Aztech has made this quite genius because it has IR blasters all around it, so it fires IR blasters like 360 degrees, like literally 360 degrees, which is awesome. So let's open it up and do a quick fire unboxing. I need my knife. Where's my knife? Knife! Alright, so a quick unboxing. Okay. Aha! Warranty, manual. Look how cute it is! It's so small, right? Right? It's like it really looks like a cube, hence the name. So this is what it is. Oh, there's like a tactile thing to it, so it can be pressed and depressed. No, actually it doesn't depress. It just press one time and it goes up all the way. So it's bouncy in a way. Alright, so the IR blaster. So the IR blasters are all around this thing. I think if it has cheeks, I would pinch it, like you know, like it's so small. Like see how small it is. This is my hand. This is it. This is it. So small and cute, and I like it. Alright, it also has one single port, which is the micro USB port. This is where it charges. No, it doesn't charge. This is where it outputs power. No, it doesn't output power. This is where the power comes in and power the device up. Other than that, there's nothing else much to it. It's very discreet, very stealthy, you know, kind of thing. So I think it goes well with any kind of decor that you have. So you can just put this like random places at your cupboards, or you know, your showcase. Showcase? Is it a showcase? No. Showroom? No. Display set? TV display? TV display, yeah. Probably TV display. And what else is inside the box? Right, nothing else except for... It's a small thingy inside here. I don't know what it is. Oh, it is the Micro USB cable, awesome, yay! Now we have like what, tons? Yeah, we have tons. Okay, from the intro video just now, you can see that I powered this baby up just using my own voice. So what I did was I already configured it to the Alexa. My Alexa is way down there. So I got Alexa. Okay, whenever I say Alexa now, it's beaming up, right? So I shouldn't say its name. So I shall say John. Okay, John. So this has already been configured in a way where I can just get John to tell this to power on that, right on top of my head. That's the air conditioner. Okay, configuring this thing is a breeze, alright? You don't need to overcomplicate things. There's nothing to really think about. You just install the app. The app is called the Aztech Kyla. Just download it from either your iOS or your Android App Store. Once you do that, you just on it and you do a little bit of registration. It's normal kind of registration, nothing complicated. After that, you just follow the instructions and it will literally take you through and configure this. And if you have an Alexa device or if you have Google Assistant, what you need to do is you need to go to that app. If you're running Alexa, the Alexa app. If you're running Google Home, then you go to Google Home and you do a little bit of configuration there. Why? Because you just want to pair the Kyla app, which controls this, to the Google Home or the Alexa, which after that you can already control this using your voice. I think that's the whole idea, right, on why you want this to happen. Okay, to talk more about how to pair devices with the Kyla app, I don't think I'm going to go through on this video. Probably do a separate one and then I can go in more detail on what to do and how to do it. Alright, from the app you can find a list of prefab devices that are probably already partnered with Aztech, so it's fully compatible. If it's not in the list, no problem, don't worry, don't pull your hair out, because you can customize further. So what you need to do is just to get the remote control of the device that's not in the list and you point it towards the IR cube and you start pressing, and somehow it will capture the IR signal and it will register as a device. One of which that I did was my Sonic Gear speaker over there under my TV. Sadly, Sonic Gear, although it's a common brand in Singapore, it does not make it. It did not make to the list of prefab list of Aztech's app. So that's sad. What I also noticed is that if you do customize this way, you cannot ask Google Assistant or to control your devices. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of firmware issues, or maybe they have not patched to that kind of level yet. I'm sure that in the future there's going to be a patch that will enable this kind of integration, which is really, really wonderful. Recommendations? This is $49 right now at Challenger. You can get it. If it's on sale, I got it for $35 in Cytex about 2 weeks ago, no, 3 weeks ago, probably last month. Yes, I got it last month, and I only opened it up last week, so I've been only using for 7 days. I had no time to open it and play around with it, so yeah, it only happened last week. So 7 days of quality time with this thing. It's a great addition to your home automation if you already set it up. If you have not, this will be a great first addition to your setup. Final thoughts, I love that Aztech is really doing us Singaporeans all a favor, that they've been manufacturing a whole lot of smart devices that integrates with home automation. So, you know, because Singapore market, I don't know why it's not as saturated as the one in US or the ones in UK. We are still taking baby steps, trying to reach or trying to progress into that home automation landscape. I don't know why, but we really need to get into it, because we are really seriously lagging behind many countries. Alright, if you compare us with China, oh my god, we are here and China is there. Alright, one more advice from me is that if you do want to get this, make sure you do your homework first. Check out all the devices that you have in your house before you commit to buying this, because you never know if they do have IR sensors or not. If they don't, then what I learned recently is that some of the ceiling fans, they don't actually have IR blasters. Aha! What they have instead is radio frequency. So the remote it doesn't have an IR blaster. It has a radio frequency thingy going on, and that's how it communicates. Okay, so the device and the remote, it's with radio frequency instead. So make sure the devices that you want to power this thing up, make sure it has IR blaster in some form, in some way. All right, because I don't want to see anyone commenting below and saying, hey, you know, Khai, you're a fraud. You say what? I have to buy this $49, so cheap. Then I try to on my kettle and I cannot. I Alexa here, Alexa there, Google here, Google there, power my kettle, and it doesn't work. And I mean, of course it doesn't work. The kettle doesn't have an IR blaster. Alright, that's it from me, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this small unboxing and review. Do get this if you are interested in your home automation setup. Alright, this is definitely a device to get. I'll see you in my next one. Do take care, and we have vlogs coming up. Do check that one out in my other channel, the one with me and Tiara. We started a new channel. I don't know if you know yet, but if you haven't, do check it out and subscribe. And oh, of course, if you like this channel, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you. Happy New Year, Christmas, and you know, all those wishes. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.